Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of Asset Trees and Tandem project, which is located on Thomasandra Hoskote Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Assets Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, unit plan. Then comes the current construction status and even about the possession of the project. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel and this will be the main entrance, and over here is the marketing office, and about the land parcel is just on my right hand side where the construction work is going on. And now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So basically this project will be constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel with 2 premium towers, with both a tower of basement ground plus 22 floors, having 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located on Hoskote Thomasandra Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So now let me show you that basically this is the Hoskote Thomasandra Road, and this road on my back hand side will connect you towards Thomasandra and the opposite side road will connect you towards Hoskote. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Wipro Kodeti in just 4 kilometers. ORR and Manipal Hospital is 10 kilometers away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, with luxury finishing with vitrified tiles, SS sink, French window concept, digital door lock and many more. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of let's check out. So here let's check out, this is the basketball court, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, kids play area, garden area, open lounge area, clubhouse with swimming pool and many more. Now let's have a look at the parking provision. There is one type of car parking, and that is the basement level. Now about the master plan. This is the master plan of Asset Trees and Tandem. As you can see in the image, there are a total of 2 towers in this project with luxurious amenities. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1885 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2142 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out, this is a construction site behind me, and as mentioned earlier, there are 2 towers in the project, where for tower B the basement level work is in progress, and for tower A the excavation work is in progress. Now about the possession part, and the radar possession of Asset Trees and Tandem is by August 2029. If you're looking for more details of this project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. With all the details, you'll be able to check the pros and cons of the project as well. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Asset Trees and Tandem, located off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Assets Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.